this quick short video, I'm going to walk you through how you can monetize your learning community using our integrated payment system and collect payments for courses and also set up membership subscriptions for your community and gate access to different pieces of content inside of your community using a paywall. To set up payments within your community, you will navigate to admin panel, go to integrations, and you will select Stripe and you will integrate your Stripe account with your group app community. Once you've set up your Stripe account with your group app community, you can now set up subscriptions for your learning community. So for example, if you wanted to create subscription tiers for your learning community, you would go to subscriptions, click on create plan. Here you will enter your plan name, plan description, select the type of plan that you want to create, if it's either going to be free or paid. If it's paid, you have the option of setting the price, deciding if it's going to be recurring or a one-time fee, and if it's going to be either monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months, and yearly. And then you can also set a trial date as well and decide if you want to add any member who subscribes to this plan to a segment inside of your community and set the subscription plan benefits. Once you are done, you can activate a plan that you've created by clicking on the three dots icon and clicking on activate. So here's an example of a community that has that has a subscription plan attached to their sign up process. So if I click on sign up for Little Flower Yoga, I will be taken to this choose subscription page where I can select any of the subscriptions that they have for their community: coaching membership subscription, navigating anxiety subscription for $32 a month, or their coaching membership annual subscription at $285 a year. If I select any of the subscription and I click continue, it will redirect me to a checkout page where I will enter my contact information and be able to apply a coupon code if there's any, and then enter my payment information and join the community. Now, if you're looking to sell courses inside of your community, Group App makes it easy to do that. Just like with subscriptions, you will go to your courses tab right here, find a course that you would like to sell inside of your community and click on the name. It'll redirect you to the course builder and you will click on pricing. Here you will be able to create a pricing for your course by clicking on add pricing. You can create add your price name, description, select the pricing type. This could be free or paid. If you select paid, additional options will appear. You'll be able to enter your course price, select the currency, and select how the price will appear. You can select if it's going to be the default pricing that appears whenever someone signs up, or if it's going to be a hidden pricing that you will send out a link inside of like an email, or it will be a hidden promotional pricing that's only available to a handful of learners within your community, and they will have to ask you for a link. You can also add anyone who purchases at this price to your community by toggling this on, or add the buyer to segments as well. Once you're done, you'll click save. Now, once you save, your pricing will, all of the pricing that you created for your course will appear here. You'll see the name, you'll see the type, the default, which is either default or hidden, the price, status, and active purchasers who have purchased this course. So that's how you can create and sell courses directly inside of your Group App community. Now, Little Flower Yoga also utilizes this for their community. So if I go back out and I go to their courses tab and I click on training and certification, here I will see all of the courses that they have for sale within their learning community. And if I click into one, so let's say for example, their certification, a winner certification program, and I click enroll for $3,200, it will redirect me to a checkout page where I will create my account and enter my contact information. If I had a coupon for this course, I can apply the coupon code, enter in my payment details, agree to the terms of service, and click buy, and I will purchase this course. Now, the same process can be used for any other content type that's inside of your Group App community. If you are hosting events and you want to host a paid workshop, you can do the exact same thing by going to the event inside of your group app, editing the event, going to pricing, and just like with courses, you'll be able to create the pricing directly inside of your community. And when members RSVP, before they RSVP, they will select the price and enter in their payment and billing information. So this is how you can monetize your community and content directly inside of your learning community hosted on Group App.